Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook business page. A business page helps you promote your brand, reach more customers, run ads, and communicate professionally with your audience. Let's get started. Now we are on the Facebook feed page. From the left menu, click the See More button, scroll down, and then click Pages. Now click the Create Page button from the left side panel. Now we can see two options. The first option is Public Page. This option is used to grow as a business, creator, or organization. It gives access to advanced professional tools and allows you to assign access to others. The second option is Upgrade Your Existing Profile, which adds professional tools to your main profile to continue growing your current audience. For this tutorial, I'll select the Public Page option. Now click the Get Started button here. Enter a name for your page, select your business category, and write a short bio about your business. After that, click Create Page. Add your contact details, including website, phone number, email address, location, and opening hours, then click Next. Now add a profile picture and a cover photo for your business page. You can also edit the Action button here by clicking the Action button option. For this page, I'm selecting Send Message. After selecting the action button you want, click Next, then click Save. Once everything is updated, click Next again. If you want, you can add your WhatsApp number to your business page from here. Click Next. Click Done. And that's it. Your Facebook business page has been successfully created and is ready to use. Thanks for watching.